everybody? It's your girl, Msoriginell. Welcome back to my channel. Today, Aaron got me at some river, lake, or whatever. Ooh, you see the train? Oh, you couldn't see it. But anyway, they did PT out here one day last week, and he decided to bring me out here. So we about to ride our bikes down along this trail. And yeah, so hope you enjoy. What's up, you guys? So we are home. Well, Aaron just left back out. He got to be somewhere at 1. But we was at the Downing River. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure, but I have the name somewhere in the video. I'm about to cook me some breakfast now because that's what I got a taste for. And while I'm cooking my breakfast, I'm about to watch this interview because everybody is talking about this interview about Steph Curry's wife. And I need to get up to speed on what's going on.
So I opened my mouth. So did you have to deal with that too? Oh yeah, same thing. I mean, I came from something that stays with you, but
I felt like you had to identify black or white. So I felt like you had to.
No, we were black. We had all black softball team. I was.
Okay, so I haven't finished the interview, but I got to the part where she was saying she feel insecure because she don't get attention from other men. Now, I get it. You know, I get what she was saying, and I just think some of y'all taking what she said and just running with it. Y'all making it deeper than what it is. But I get what she was saying. Now, me personally, I don't care for other men's attention because I get enough from my own man. But if she feel like getting attention from other men will make her feel more secure, then hey, that's her. But I get what she's saying, and I feel like y'all just making it deeper than what it really is. Like, but that's just my opinion. So it is what it is. But I'm about to eat my food and finish watching the rest of this interview. So drop a comment though in the comments and let me know how you feel about what she said. Let's chat about it. I want to know how some of y'all feel about what she said. Okay, so back to this Aisha Curry situation. I just seen a guy on Facebook post, you know, what if the shoe was on the other foot? First of all, why when every time something goes down, everybody want to flip the script and put the shoe on the other foot? Why can't we just assess the situation for what it is? But I also get his point of view. As a wife, I wouldn't want to hear my husband on an interview saying he wants attention from other women. And I'm sure he wouldn't want to hear me saying that at an interview either. However, if we felt that way, I feel like that's a conversation me and him should have. But like I said earlier, I just feel like everybody is taking what she said out of context and just making it too deep. It's not that deep what she said. Like, let's be honest. As a man and a woman, when you're out and about, whether you with your friends or by yourself, if you a guy and you with your boys and a girl walks by y'all and she giving one of y'all the eye, you're going to feel like something like, you're going to feel like, oh, I still got it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I still got it. And as a woman, if you're out and about and a man gives you the eye or say, oh, you look nice today, ma'am, or something, it's going to make you feel good too, like, oh, I still got it. But I have a man at home that I don't need your attention, but just to know that I still got it will make you feel good. So, well, I don't understand why people taking what she's saying as something she didn't say anything wrong to me. And it's not like some people are saying she trying to use it as an opportunity to cheat. Like, let's be real. If your husband was getting all this attention from another man and you weren't getting attention at all, you will feel some type of way. And flip the script. If your woman was famous and she was getting a whole lot of attention and no women were throwing themselves at you here or there, you would feel less of a man. Like, let's just be real. But, and she also said, you know, she don't really want it, but it would be nice to know that somebody's looking. Well, yeah. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like she's going to entertain the attention. It's just, you know, she's insecure and she that's something she really needs to deal with. But y'all really just taking it too far. It's not that deep. It's really not that deep. But I'm done talking about it because I really don't care about it. But anyway, I'm just chilling. I really need to get up and fold some clothes, but I don't feel like it. But yeah. Say hi. How was school? Did you have fun? Yeah. Yeah, you got your hat? You show them your hat? Boy. Well, Bryson and I are about to go for a walk because I'm bored. I cannot sit in the house all day like this. Well, I haven't been in the house all day, but I've been in the house long enough. So we about to go for a walk because it still feels good outside, so. You ready? Okay, you guys, so we just got back home. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I don't have anything else planned for today. So thank you guys for tuning in and watching another video. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.